Okay, test corrections number 6 here. Just evaluating this. And if you have that special log base button on your calculator, it's pretty easy. So I can show you that. So the regular log key does log base 10. So if you want to do, we have to do a base 3 log here. There's that special button. So you can do math and hit the up arrow twice, and you get to this log base. And then you can enter whatever base you want. So I'm going to do 3, and then whatever this number was, I forget what it was, 2187. Okay, and it gets you your answer that way. If you don't have that log base button, you can use a regular log, but you got to do log divided by log. And in this case, you take this number and go up, and then this little number and go down. So I'm going to do log divided by log. Okay, and this is called change of base because the base is now 10. When you type this in, these are two base 10 logs, and you're dividing them. It used to be a base 3 log, now it's both base 10. Okay, and that gets you the 7. All right, so this one just comes out as 7. Okay, and then the next question is very, very similar. It's just a generic version. So this one says, use the change of base formula. So it's just like this. When we had to evaluate a non-base 10 log, we put that number up and that number down, and we did log 2187 over log 3. Okay, so the next question just does the generic version. If I want to do log base A of B, I would just do a log of B divided by a log of A. So this part goes up, that part goes down. Sorry that turned out so wonky there. Trying to make a little better L. So it's just log B over log A, which that'd be a nice clean looking version of it. And sometimes students mix it up, like and do this choice, answer A here, but make sure this one goes up. It's already up higher, and then that one goes low. So it's log base B over log A. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.